Welcome people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Dexta, Daps, Jamal, and Foota hype. Viewers and subscribers, remember leave a like and subscribe. Click that bell to be notified so you do not and will never miss a brand new upload. See me? Yeah man, feel free to comment and make me know when you think about any of the topic that I touch upon. Big up on yourself and make we jump right into this update. So the entertainer Dexta Daps get attacked on stage again, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, a female run on stage while the entertainer was performing and I try to put her thing over the dog face. Viewers and subscribers, the entertainer managed to dodge it just in time. Yeah man, him reflex them kick in same time, viewers and subscribers, and me I tell you, Dexta Daps get to it again. So I'm going to show you the video, but remember, leave on the take in the comments. Jano, the mafia fan down the entertainer. Viewers and subscribers, me don't understand how Dexta Daps security make that happen or allow that to happen. Like, I think this is the second time something like this is happening to the entertainer where a female run up on stage and I try to put their thing over the entertainer's face. This is the second time. You see me, viewers and subscribers, so I'm not the first. But me not understand like how like insecurity them, like how she get past the security them. You see me? Like I said, the entertainer reflex kick in same time, viewers and subscribers. This is not the first time the female them try something like this, and it's not going to be the last. But I'm just hope say the security them can do a better job and protect the entertainer, because viewers and subscribers, this could have been a serious act from an individual in the crowd. You see me? So, big up to Dexta Daps, same way viewers and subscribers, and don't know say in a Jamaica, we burn out stuff like them. So imagine that you go over the entertainer's face, how it would have looked on his career. So big up to the entertainer, like I said. Viewers, leave on a take in the comments.
Hello, London. This one now work, it work different.
So it seems like someone in the crowd was trying to give Jamal some money. Viewers and subscribers, the entertainer stopped the show to address the whole situation. And you know, said, oh, I see this clip already, but I never see this part where the person try to hand Jamal money. But the entertainer get dark, but yet him keep it respectful. And I make them know, say, yo, I one dogs man. You see me, viewers and subscribers, leave on the take down in the comment section. Me nah lie. The people them love to fool with Jamal.
Holness, anti-Vybzkartel, Jamaica Labour Party. This is not about politics. This is about something when me see I go mash up Jamaica and me see it happen now, and me make sure to talk before everybody talks so one can fix it. Andrew, me know you listen me know you watch my video them, me know if you not see it yourself, people show you. Me really want them show you that one. People, Turkey, wanna listen now, no? Turkey, the country name Turkey. has been secretly negotiating with Jamaican athletes and I buy them out. Now, one discus thrower will get gold and one shot put thrower will medal in the Olympics to Jamaica, Ghana, Turkey. Then, them have one next runner now, just signed to Turkey again. One of our young runner them, gone to Turkey too. Yes, it's about the money, but listen, we cannot blame them. Here why we can't blame them, bro. Turkey is offering $500,000 as a upfront money. Zine, 500,000 plus them a get a monthly stipend, meaning them a get money monthly different from the 500,000 US dollar. Also, them a get citizenship for them and them family. Listen me now. Young jumper, whatever them is, me just panic. Me a panic now because sometimes we not see the thing cause big man thing. If them want to make a selecting team for Turkey if you go to Olympics for 500,000 US plus a monthly stipend, me gone. Me ready to pack my things and go to Turkey right now. If them have a 500,000 US dollar, Zine, for a selecting team, to go to Turkey, I'm pay me monthly and my family them get citizenship and everything. Me gone. Me I tell you they got you. Because Jamaica now deal with the athlete them right. What day I saw Papa will have a cuss. The things them were promise him from before him not get them. Usain Bolt lose him 600 million US. Like, come on, bro. Come on. You talk about teaching team, you gone, the teacher them done gone. All the Jamaican teacher them gone at Dubai, Qatar, Abu Dhabi, and all these places that you don't know. Why you think the Vybzkartel, them say 80% of the people them at Vybzkartel can't read and write on a high school level? Because all the teacher them gone. And we've been a complaint about this and nobody not pay it no mind. And them a say, yes, enjoy the best government and economy up and poverty rate up and the literacy rate gone down. All of them things to me is cap. All of them something that them are putting in the media are cap. Because you can't say the economy better and we are make more money and the poverty rate up, but yet still the people them done like that. Seeing them say in the past 5 years, the people them done like that. Brethren, sometimes I choose the people them not travel the world and I choose me going to the world, me know, you know. Most of our teachers are teaching in Qatar and Dubai, Saudi Arabia and these places. So the PR thing what them do, through election are come, we have bigger problem if 4 away athlete them gone, the rest of them are going, you know. Cause only not even give the youth them 150,000 US, you know. Not even 150,000 US, and them people are give them 500,000 US as a start. Plus them I get paid every month. Plus them whole family I get citizenship. And Joe, we need to fix this fast enough.
So viewers, subscribers, what do you think about all of this? Because at the end of the day, Foota Hype is making a really good point. You see me, you cannot wrong these athletes for leaving and going to Turkey because they might get better deals. They're getting citizenships. They might get better treatment than what they're getting out here. So you cannot wrong them. So leave on a take down below in the comment section. Make me know what you think about any of the topic that want me touch upon. Big up on yourself and remember, subscribe to 4K ENT.